I'm very happy to be here with you in Macau.
Yeah, thank you for coming. It's great to see you in Macau.
Yeah, so we had an update a few months ago about
Yeah,
what's coming in China and what we see in Europe, and I think it's a great moment of the year to
yeah,
do a sum up about the big trends
yeah.
that we saw at the CES and the agenda for the next months. So, in your point of view, what are the main tech trends that will, be able to be seen in Europe? That you are watching on daily basis in China.
Yeah, I think the first thing came to my head, the definitely that's the robots, especially the humanoid. I think as because you were at CES, I was there as well. It's amazing to see the so many robots. Actually, also most of the characters come from China or from Asia. So I think that's a big year. This could be big year for humanoids in terms of monetization, terms like basically like putting all these robots into the real business.
Yes, I heard that there is more than 100 Chinese companies building robots on
Yeah,
humanoids. And so one of our concern is how quick all those companies will be able to scale and go to market. We don't see, for example, humanoids yet in Europe, You have already in some factories and some retail stores that I saw, for example, in Shenzhen.
yeah.
What's your vision about how quick it will be? Some of the people say it will be like the GSM, the mobile phone. It will be quick and it will cover a lot of industries.
Mm-hmm.
I think it will take times because it's more complex, more
Yeah.
costly. What's your point of view on what you see here on the market?
I think I agree with you. I think first of all, well, to me, maybe we should analyze this from like two sides. The one side, I think the humanoid or robot industry is growing very very fast than most people expected in the past like 1 years. Just give example, I think I was at CES last year as well. Maybe I see, I don't know, less than 10 robots there. But if you look at this year, just 1 year, more than 100 from China and then lots of them at the CES as well. So you see the industry is growing very fast. And also, I think you also you mentioned as well, thanks to the manufacturer chain, the ecosystem in Shenzhen, in the Great Barrier in China. So I think for company, actually they are building the hardware of robots is getting, I think, easier and easier, and also the cost is getting down and down as well. So I think we're gonna see more, definitely more. I think let me put it this way. I think because we've been watching the Chinese tech ecosystem developing in the past probably 20 years. I think the biggest change one of the big change I thought is we saw more and more like Chinese tech company founders. First of all, they are very young. Secondly, I think they are very good speaking English, which means they are either educated in West, then back to China, or they did a very good education in the past as well. So meaning maybe from day one, most of them they are looking at the overseas market from the day one. They don't really focus on China anymore. I think it's a good thing. Is most we see more and more Chinese tech company, they want to be the global or international company, or not just like Chinese company only focus on Chinese market. So and also they are very ambitious as well. I think maybe from day one they say okay they're going to be the number one to beat GoPro.
Yeah.
I think well the company Insta actually did already. They want to be the next Huawei. They want to be the next DJI. So that's the vision or the goal from day one.
Can you showcase what's coming in the next months in this edition?
Yeah, I think.
And showcase what's beyond.
Yeah, I think just very quick. I think for beyond our kind of vision is to build the number one like a tech platform to showcase the best from Asia. So which means we are not only focused on China, right? So I think I think the first thing we are quite excited for this year is we going to see more not from China, but we actually going to see some like dedication from Korea, from Japan,
Nice.
from also South Asia, even like Middle East and South America as well. So I think that's very good news for us because become more and more international. That's something we are building for. So secondly, if we only talk about China, is this something we are trying to still work on that? So first of all, we just mentioned, I think definitely we're going to see even more robots than CES because actually it's very short distance travel from Shenzhen to Macau.
You are 1 hour away from Shenzhen.
Yeah. It's like 1 hour. Yeah. So I think also most of the robot companies are based in Shenzhen. Yeah. So it's a kind of advantage to us. So definitely we're going to see more robots and also new robots. And we're going to see probably something people wouldn't see at CES. We're going to see some very flying drone, like what's it called, flying taxi company. We're going to see a few of them. They're going to
we saw some of them at the CES a few years ago. So innovation, it's back. It's back,
but I think before it's like a prototype. But now at least like the two company we were talking to in last week is to bring the real thing to the to Macau. And so this is very very exciting as well. Secondly, I think Macau. I think that's the advantage of Macau is small. Small means it's good for like parties, right? People just everything happening at one place, and also it's very close to Great Bay Area, the Shenzhen. So for people, if they are especially interested in Great Bay Area, Shenzhen, after beyond. They can basically just take the ship, like take 1 hour to Shenzhen.
And to do a retail tour.
Yes.
Tech tour.
Yes.
Okay, great. So thank you very much and see you at VN.
Yeah. Thank you. Hope to see everyone here. Yeah. Thank you.